Building an helicopter from scratch to a flying state can be very tricky. About 20 years ago, I attempted building an helicopter out of a carton, a DC motor which was from an old DVD player, and a 9-volt battery. This attempt failed not only because of the material that I used, but back then I have no idea about the working principle of an helicopter and also the law of aerodynamics. But today I'm excited to show you my flying home built helicopter. This is actually the second attempt, upgraded from the first attempt. I designed this helicopter to be a gearless helicopter, which means the Swashplate is directly connected to the brushless motor that drives it. And also the tail section is controlled by a 2204 brushless motor, 5-inch propeller with 8 blade. Okay, I'll be happy to walk you through how I designed and printed this helicopter. So let me take you through my CAD software, which is Fusion 360. A friend actually introduced this CAD software to me some time ago, and I'm happy to have made a lot of flying aircraft out of it. So this is how I designed it. I first designed the Swashplate. My intention was to use a 3D printed Swashplate to fly the helicopter. I attempted it, but it failed, and I'm going to make another video about that. So designing the Swashplate and the brushless motor and the fuselage with the tail section, this is actually the first, and I printed it, assembled it, as you can see in the video where I'm putting the parts together, assembling the fuselage and the tail section. So here it comes, and this is the helicopter. I'm going to play the first video and now the second video. Then I'm going to show you what changes in the two design.
Start. Okay. Good. Yeah, yeah. Yes, good. Yeah, yeah. Good. Landing? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, capture.
So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to follow up by subscribing, like the videos, give your comment what you see about the helicopter, and also share it. So on this particular design, I make a lot of upgrade on it, from the tail section, which I make the brushless motor to be above the spar that link the fuselage to the tail rotor more up, and also I increase the height of the landing gear and also factoring in the flight controller space and every other thing that is going into this helicopter. So it's such an amazing project that I'm really in love with. And in my next video, I'm going to be sharing some of the issues with this gearless helicopter, and also watch out for the next version of the next helicopter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.